Hi, today we're talking about Google Keep, a really great tool. Again, another free one. So I'm in Google Keep right here, and I have a new title, what they call a note. I can change the color of the note. I can add whatever it is that I want to note. I type anything in. I can actually add images into this note. So I'm going to pick an image that I already have on my desktop on my computer, and I can upload it. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that image into it. You can add all kinds of things to notes, which is really, really cool for students, okay? Another thing that I can do, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this picture here, is I can add Google Draw to a note. So I'm going to go ahead and add a drawing, and it's going to take me into Google Draw, and I'm going to go ahead and just draw a real happy face here really, really fast. Okay, here's my smile, here we go, add some teeth, and I can even erase lines on this just like I can within Google Draw. And now I'm going to go ahead and add it to my my Keep. There it is, it's in my Keep. Another thing I can do is I can add check marks, which is really great to keep students on track for things. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a laundry list right here. So here we go. I'm adding some things here, some fruit. I'm going to go ahead and create a list here. I'm going to go to the grocery store later, I don't know. And as I check them off, I can also delete the ones that are checked off, so that way they'll take them off of my list as well. Okay. And another thing that I can actually do with Google Draw is I can turn this into a Google document. So it's going to take what I have here in my Google Keep, and boom, look at that. It made a Google Doc for me. So not only am I able to share out Google Keep with students, but I can also share out Google Docs, and they can do the same with me. Thanks for watching.